Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Huge shout out to XtremeSkins for sending me not just one, but 5 skins for my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. I'll choose one of these skins and the other 4 I'm going to put to the side and may use them later on down the road. All the information to purchase any of these 5 skins will be down below in the description area. There will be a link that will send you on over to the XtremeSkins website. And if it's not any of these that you want for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, trust me, there is a lot to choose from. So what I'm going to do is show you a little information here. XtremeSkins Precision Style Protection. Got the website right there. So you can go do some shopping. Thank you for your order. You are awesome. Got some more information right there. So please read everything. Trust me, you'll want to use that right there. Some more information on the back. A lot of different social media platforms that you can stay in touch with XtremeSkins. That right there is awesome, folks. So what we got going on here, these are full coverage skins. You got the strips for the top, bottom, and sides, and you got the skin for the back of your Z Fold 6. This right here is the black camo. It's a beautiful, beautiful skin. Look at that texture. Yeah, that is really, really nice and bold. Got the matte red. Very nice. I think that's the one I'm going to put on today. The matte blue. And the brushed aluminum. That is really nice. Really, really nice. Okay, so we're going to go with the red. Got my Z Fold 6, and in the packaging you do get a alcohol prep wipe. You'll have to provide your own microcloth, and you'll have to provide something like this. This is a rubbery mat that's going to keep my Z Fold 6 in place. Not perfectly in place, but a lot better than having it on my desk mat. This is what you want to do. And that really, really helps out a lot. I will be using a blow dryer. The one thing that I do want to make sure I communicate to all of you is that you want to move the heat around. You never want the heat sitting in one area, just blowing hot air on your skin. More importantly, your Z Fold 6. It can damage the device itself. It will damage the skin and it'll damage your Z Fold 6. And that's what's really important here. You just want to continuously move that heat around. Doesn't matter if it's in circles, if it's back and forth, it's like this, doesn't matter. Just keep that heat moving around. I'll speed up the video, I'll turn up the music so you can enjoy that while the process is going on. And then we'll get a good look at the install. And we're going to then go into quickly reviewing the Spigen Ultra Hybrid Pro case for the Z Fold 6. This is a beautiful, beautiful clear case. That way we can see the skin from XtremeSkins, and the back of the case, the sides of the case are going to help press up against the skin on the Z Fold 6, which helps the sticking process. And that right there is a win-win. So without further ado, let's do this. let's go ahead and unpack the Ultra Hybrid Pro case for my Z Fold 6 from Spigen, or is it Spigen? We'll go with Spigen. I don't think I'm going to be able to change the way I pronounce it. Huge shout out to Spigen. The frame of the case comes with some adhesive right down here, right in there, and right along that area as well. Hard plastic polycarbonate material. It's gonna go over the cover display. I'm not going to take off the adhesive due to the fact that I still got other cases to review. That right there looks really nice. You can see the adhesive strip right there and right there. And that's going to help as well. By using the adhesive, it'll stick to the skin. And again, the frame is going to press up against the skin, helping the adhering process. You do have an instruction guide here to help you with the adhesive process. So please read everything. Here is the back part of the case, completely clear. Got a little pull tab right here to take off the protective film on the inside. Very, very grippy. Hard plastic polycarbonate material here. Super grippy. Got the hinge protection. All right, so let's put the case on. I'm going to start from the bottom. Work my way up. I don't want to take off the skin strips there. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Snap her into place. So you got the ultimate hinge protection. Very snappy. The hinge mechanism's right in there. Oops, let's put that down there. You know what? I'm just going to use this case for now because I need these areas to stick, or it's going to lift up a little bit. I don't want that. Those actually 4 areas. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So that should help out a lot. Just press where the adhesive is. See that? Give that a press. Make sure it stays in place. Right in there. And right down here. Look at that. Wow. That right there is bold. All cutouts will be precise. You got your 3 little cutouts for the 3 top mics, cutout for the speaker grill up top. You got the USB Type-C charging port area there. A lot of space. Speaker cutout and the bottom mic there. Got some corner protection. All 4 corners. The hinge protection area helps with that as well. Plenty of lip all the way around. I do have a tempered glass screen protector. Got a recessed area up top for the earpiece. Sitting down on a flat surface a little bit rough. You're good to go. Anything rougher than that, please use your discretion. On the back, I am sporting some camera glass lens protectors, plus you got the case. The camera protectors are flush with the lip. If those camera protectors weren't there, then they would sit below the lip. Flat surface, you're good to go. Anything rougher than that, use your discretion. On the inside, the lip of the case all the way around except for this area right here where the power button fingerprint reader is located in your volume rocker. You're going to have a lot of protection all the way around, and the lip runs smoothly into the inner display all the way around. And again, very, very grippy case. But what's really important here with the case is that you can see that sexy skin. That's just super duper bold, and it's pressing up against the skin all over to help with the sticking process. Once again, huge shout out to Spigen for the Ultra Hybrid Pro clear case. And XtremeSkins, you definitely know how to give a little extra sum to a smartphone. Any questions, please ask down below in the comment section. All the information to purchase everything that was in this video down below in the description area. With that, God bless, peace, I'm out.